Hi everyone, welcome to Rise. Today we will discuss a simple tip and trick in botany, that is respiration in plants. How to remember Krebs cycle. In Krebs cycle, we have the chance to ask questions here. From this cycle, nearly 10 steps of chemical reactions will be there. Yes or not? So, how to remember this 10 steps of Krebs cycle? So, how to answer in exam? So, look at our cycle. This is our Krebs cycle. So, citric acid is formed to again oxalosuccinic acid. So, in this where places energy will be released. You all know about the energies NADH, GTP. So, how to remember this Krebs cycle of 10 steps of chemical reactions will be there, and in which places carbon dioxide release, dehydration will be occurred, H2O will be released. So, how to identify it? So, look at our simple tip, that is a tip for you, that is CCI is okay, so send, fund, money order. So, what is the CCI is okay, so send, fund, money order? In that, C means Cement Corporation of India. Cement Corporation of India is okay, so send, fund, money order. Look here, C is citric acid, next C Cement Corporation, next C is cis aquatic acid, I means citric acid. In OK, oxalosuccinic acid. Next, K means keto-glutaric acid. Next, in so, succinyl coenzyme A. Send, succinic acid. In the fund, fumaric acid. Next, malic acid. At last product is oxalosuccinic acid. This is the tip. CCI is okay, so send, fund, money order. So the first letter of the sentence, citric acid, cis aquatic acid, isocitric acid, oxalosuccinic acid, alpha keto-glutaric acid, succinyl coenzyme A, succinic acid, fumaric acid, malic acid. At last product is oxaloacetic acid. So here one arrow mark is there. These arrow marks are represent to energy. You all know about the 2 NADH are formed, and here 2 GTP will be formed, and here also 2 NADH will be formed, and the fumaric acid place FADH will be formed, and here 2 NADH will be formed. So, if you count the here 1, 2, 3, 4, in the 5th step 1 NADH will be formed, in the 6th step GTP will be formed, in the 7th step again 2 NADH will be formed, 8th step FADH will be formed, 9th step and NADH will be formed, and last is 10th step. So, this is the most important Krebs cycle tip for you, that is Cement Corporation of India is okay, so send, fund, money order. Thank you.